as loud as you can. It's not a day that passes by, the pain is not a last side. It's breaking me down to the ground, it's like a crash and die. It's hard to leave your past behind, especially when you're last in line. After time it actually finds and wraps inside my fragile mind. Hiding in plain view, it seems the same machine I choose between taking who I used to be and keeping this immunity. Hallucinating, losing me, took the chance of humanly. So did I let you lead and grab the lightning through me. And through it all, you saved me. Through it all, you changed me forever. You made it right. Through it all, you changed me forever. Giving me a chance to change on me in ways I can't explain. I'll never understand the way you took my hand with no dismay. Down who I am today, that's the man I plan to stay. But can't escape, I can't evade. It's great to be the fade away. Why'd you do it? Why'd you